ain't he's gonna come up and jump. Watch out.
So welcome to my show. Everybody grab your fishing pole.
That's a two.
Come on now, let's go.
Alright guys, so this is going to be part 2 of our little trip. This is the morning after me and Jessica stayed up most of the night. And so we caught some fish, not a whole lot, but we did catch some fish. And yeah, so there's not really an intro on this, so this is going to be the intro. I don't know, but we were slowly figuring the fish out. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and see y'all next time. All right, I was off dinking with some little bass and heard the alarm start going off, and Jess got to the rod before I did. Which it's her turn. I caught the one last night. That's a good sign. That I was concerned that we wasn't gonna get any carp because we were out till after 3 o'clock last night. Didn't get up till mid-morning, and see a lot of turtles out here. So, but hey, tiger nuts for the win again. Everything, all the the corn and chickpeas hadn't been catching anything. Hadn't been getting any attention other than from turtles. Yeah, I was gonna say tighten that up just a little smidge. I don't know if you tightened it up or loosened it. Hefty fish, I guess. Which I know it was peel and drag a while ago, before I got the camera turned on.
You know what? He's a big boy. He gets tired fast.
Well, I was gonna say, I think it's not 2 years left. I think, I'm not sure. Oh, and he's trying to go that way. Well, at least that way he'll be under the other lines. But we want him to go. I'm wanting to get him on the other side of this tree so we can get in the sand and land him. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this stuff over there. We can try and get him. That's bigger than mine last night. A lot bigger. You got your gold bar over there, huh? Oh shoot, that stuff's slippery. But at least it's not all that grass. Old scarred up one, looks like got away from an arrow one time. That's a good one. That's a 20 plus, I believe. Bigger than mine from last night, that's for sure. Well, he's just gonna go right up on the bank. Oh. No, he didn't like me touching him with the net. Come on, pick your head up. Got him. Oh yeah, you got some shoulders. That's slippery. All right, guys. This is that fish just caught. So I'm pretty sure it's a bow fishing survivor. Looks like the arrow went in here, and as the fish was fighting, it ripped out the side. We're gonna see how much she weighs. Get her back in. She's 31 inches. So, all right, let's see. Make sure this is zeroed. We're good. All right. We got,
Really?
say 17, 16, 8, 17 pounds. Something like that.
Because the sling weighs a pound
Yeah,
and a half.
yeah. And it's not. Oh, that stuff's, I mean, at least it is sandy and not muddy like over there, but all right. There we go. 17-pound gold bar. All right. Old girl. I can still see her swimming. All right. There we go. Oh, there's one. Oh, shoot. Dang it. Oh, dang it. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yes. Oh, shit, come here. Ow, shoot. Let's see. It hooked him underneath the jaw, in the cheek. Come here. Chill out. Damn it. All right, guys. Let's get this girl back in the water. All right. I was keeping this guy so I could show some folks. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. He was ready to leave. Alright, I think that's gonna be about it for me this evening. I think we're gonna go and get some range cubes to chum up, and that'll be, I'll come back out tomorrow morning. Alright guys, so you just saw part 2. I mean, I think I've got like over 2 hours of video, so there's gonna be a couple more videos coming after this. Again, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll be getting more videos out. I'm editing them now.